Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam Caniglione with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to feature the Harris Sunliner 250 Sport. Lots of amazing features on this boat. Starting in the back of the boat, you can see our stainless safety railings with our fender holders as well as our ski tow. These are able to be connected for you to be able to ride back here legally without any worry of the police. Additional features, you've got charging ports throughout this boat. Cup holders are going to be everywhere, and a great feature on this one of the upgrades, is the interior lighting package. So every one of your cup holders is going to have the ability to light up. You have rear audio controls here as well. So if you're at the sandbar and you're just having a great time, you don't have to worry about going all the way to the helm to adjust the music. Of course, there's Bluetooth as well. This particular boat does have your stainless flip-up cleats, a fantastic feature. Now, pontoons, everybody loves the Sun Lounger here. This is adjustable. So right now we've got it forward-facing, but we're gonna take this one all the way back as well. So anybody that wants to watch any tubers, they're gonna have a comfortable position to do that in. And what makes this a sport is this fantastic tower. We've got great coverage with the bimini top, but also if you've ever been on a pontoon, you notice there might be a little rattle with the bimini top. You're not gonna experience that with the tower. So come on forward here. We've got our dual captain chair setup. Now from the helm, we can see that we've got our adjustable steering wheel, our upgraded JL audio sound system. You're gonna love this. The speakers are upgraded. Fantastic sound throughout. We've got our Simrad with our chart plotter, fish finder, all of those great details. And as I mentioned, our RGB lighting inside the boat. Wireless charger for your phone. And here's a feature, because this does have the 250 horsepower motor, you're also going to get the Mercury digital throttle and shift system. If you've never driven one of these, you're going to absolutely love it. In and out of gear, unbelievably easy. All right, and we're going to finish up with this amazing bow area here. Storage is unbelievable because it's a pontoon, but the way that Harris has designed the storage setup here, it's almost indestructible. You're not going to have any worries as you're throughout the life of the boat. But plenty of room to stretch out, chargers on both sides, cup holders on both sides, and this amazing diamond stitched inlay. Super comfortable on the low back. I'm getting older and it's great for the lumbar. Anyways, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. I appreciate your time. Thank you.